Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm bringing back September Build a Journal for 2025. This PDF is free. It will be on my Ko-fi sometime between now and the end of the month. This will be on my Ko-fi. The link is down below in the description box, so you can grab your copy of the PDF. Also, I believe, let me check. As of right now, this is July. It's July today. July something or other. I think it's like the 21st. But you know, I pre-film everything. I did put up a poll on the community tab a while back. And by 60%, people voted for a binder journal. So that is what we'll be making this year. Here's the binder I will be using. I got mine on Amazon. It's a Mr. Pen, I believe. There's no markings on it, but I believe it's a Mr. Pen. So this is the one that I will be using. Okay. So let's go over what we'll be doing for September Build a Journal 2025. I have all the dates and everything we're going to be doing on each date so you can follow along. On September 4th, we'll be gathering all of our supplies. We're going to make sure we have our binder, the papers we want, the stickers, those kind of things. We're going to gather our supplies. We're going to gather supplies to be making our tags, our pockets, all that. So we're gathering all of our supplies. The 6th, we're going to be cutting our papers and decorating our covers. And when we cut our papers, we'll also be inserting them into our binders so we don't lose our papers. Okay, because that happens. The 11th, we're going to be making tags and pockets. The 13th, we're going to be making paper clips and journal spots. The 18th, we're going to be either making ephemera or finding ephemera. Okay, so if you have a specific theme in mind, you might have ephemera already in your stash for that theme. So that's all on you. You can either make, you can use what you already have made, but the 18th is all about ephemera. The 20th, we're going to be making charms, jewelry, something to decorate our journals using beads, charms, tassels, all that jazz. Okay. On the 25th, that is when we're going to be finding our trims and adding them to our journal. Now we add our trims to our journal. All this other stuff does not get added to our journal yet. It's just trims, okay? Because a lot of times trims have to be sewn in, glued in, whatnot. So it's just trims. On the 27th, we'll be filling our journal with everything that we have made for the month. And on the 30th, I'll do my final flip through of my journal. Okay, so that is what September Build a Journal is going to be. Now, every year I do September Build a Journal and I use that journal for October. You don't have to do that, obviously. You use your journal for whenever you want to use your journal. You can go as simple as you want in your journal. You can go as extreme, complicated as you want in your journal. This is your journal. You do what you want to do. This is just a step-by-step walkthrough of making a journal. And this is especially good if you have never made your own journal before. Also, linked down below, I will have, I think it's now, this is my 4th year of September Build a Journal. 3rd year, maybe. I don't remember. However, it will be, I have playlists for September Build a Journal and they will all be down below in the description box. So if this is not my first year I did it, okay, you guys, the first year I did it, it was very long walkthrough of every single step, every single day of September. So if this is too, I can't think of the word. If this is not in depth enough for you, you can go back to that year and watch that year. But this is a more of a simplified version of what I do every year with you guys. So that is the plan. I hope to see you in September. If you are planning on joining me, let me know down below. I haven't picked a theme yet. Since it's for October, I usually do fall or Halloween. And I don't know if I'm due for fall or Halloween. Like the first year I did fall, then I did Halloween. I don't know what I'm due for. I'd have to go look at all my journals to see, or at least my videos to see what I'm due for. And I think this year I am going to be getting a journal kit from Etsy. That's the way I think I'm going this year. Last year, I believe I used a paper pack from Simple Stories. I believe, I'm not sure. So let me know down below. What kind of binder are you going to go with? Are you going to go with this kind, a clear kind? Where are you going to get it? Let me know what your theme is going to be, and let me know if you're joining me, okay? Thank you so much for joining me today. This is just a very quick one, just to go over the September Build a Journal, and I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Have a great rest of your day.